Welcome back to my channel. Lorna K is here. So another day, another OOTD. So since it's Sunday and it's raining outside, so I'm gonna show you outside later. So yes, eto muna yung ko. I think today we will just stay at home. Oo, kasi it's really raining as in. So and they said also that this rain is they will be raining all this week. So yes, so ito pala yung gagamitin ko today. And then yung skirt is from India. Yes. So wait lang, susuotin ko na siya.
There were only some books in the car.
So yes, so ito yung susuotin ko yung top. Yes. And then yun siya. So ito yung palda. Oo. So you can just wrap it. So this one has two color. You can use it like that way or like that way. So I think today ito yung gagamitin ko. This side. Yeah, like that. Like that way. Like that way. Okay, just like that. Yes, so yan yung outfit for today. Oo. Siguro later is mag-jacket ako kung malamig. Oo, but yeah, this is it.
Stove. And the carpets cover this stainless design. There is.